Welcome to KYTX CBS 19 News at 10. I'm Amy Tatum. Thank you for joining us. Our top story tonight has been a national problem for about a decade, but it's never been this bad. Prescription drug abuse, overdoses, and deaths. A new report by the CDC says more than 40 people a day die from prescription overdose. As CBS 19's Courtney Friedman explains, it's a scary trend that is only gaining momentum, and it has both doctors and patients worried.
Tylerite Walter Morman has seen firsthand how addictive prescription drugs can be.
I've got some family members that have been on pain pills for so long that the dosage that they're having to take anymore would classify them as an addict, but they just have to have it for the level of pain.
Dr. Luis Haro oversees all the emergency departments in the Trinity Mother Frances health system, a job that shows him the shocking number of people affected by prescription drugs.
More than 30 a day.
He says these people are not your typical drug addicts.
We're talking about grandma who broke her hip, okay? We're talking about your child who took their tonsils out.
The crisis seems to have no boundaries.
Tyler is just as susceptible as all the other places in the nation.
People have pain, they get on the medications, they get a little bit better, they start abusing it. Subsequently, they need more, and if they don't have it, they have worse pain than they had before.
The result is a vicious cycle, one that Morman is trying to stay away from.
Here a while back, I was taking so much medication, and I just pretty well quit everything except the blood pressure medication, and I'm doing fine.
Dr. Haro says prescription meds aren't always the answer. Physical therapy, some types of injections, and procedures from pain specialists provide other ways to relieve pain and help avoid addiction.
15% of the patients will develop an addiction to it, dependence to it, within 2 weeks of being on them.
Morman says his kids and grandkids have learned about the dangers of prescription drugs through addiction within the family.
They saw them and they didn't want to be like them.
He hopes society will get the same kind of reality check.
Sometimes good comes from bad.
Well, I can only hope that we can, as a community, overcome this, but it's going to be a long, hard fight.
In Tyler Smith County, Courtney Friedman, KYTX, CBS 19 News.
And any type of addiction can lead to depression and other medical problems. If you or someone you know may have an addiction to prescription pills, call a professional and ask for help.